grasp the essence of this endeavor, one must observe its genesis. Here, the dominant species engages in a monumental earth-moving ritual, clearing the terrain with remarkable fortitude. A meticulous phase follows as the framework takes root. Yet, even amid such arduous labor, this social species recognizes the vital need for communal respite, often punctuated by the consumption of natural resources like sugarcane.
Can you believe how much this forest is transforming? Day or night, our powerful machines carve, clear, and prepare the land. From dawn till deep night, we're building dreams with dedication and a smile. It's a big project, but we're doing it all, one step at a time.
जिंदगी में कभी सोचा है दिन में मैं ये बड़ा मशीन चलाती हूँ, जमीन खोदना, उसको लेवल करना, लोग पूछते हैं यूट्यूब पे डालते हो क्या? और रात में और कभी-कभी ऐसा कुछ, बस अमेजिंग है, बहुत अनएक्सपेक्टेड, बहुत खूबसूरत। क्या आपने भी ऐसा कुछ देखा है?
क्रिस का गाना सुनेगा।
Hola, dile. Vlog bata de. Vlog ya. Nam sok dum ni go jidla.